Ah, it's the last video. Well done for making it this far and for making your first origami crane. Now, this is just one of those things that's going to take a little bit of practice. And once you get into the swing of it, you'll be able to concentrate less on the process and enjoy it more, and even be a bit creative with it, I promise. You can use origami to give someone a fancy letter, tree hangings for your garden, maybe for a decoration, and all sorts of stuff. Let your imagination run wild. Well, thanks again for joining me on these videos. At the end of each video, you might have noticed a QR code, which are handy written instructions that you can keep on your phone, tablet, or print out if you want. I hope you got as much out of Sura today as I have. Keep going with it. Cymer Ofal, and see you soon.